My name is Jeremy Jaisana Michael, and my metric number is 203133, and this is my mini project for communications engineering. So for this title of the project of this mini project is an old communication device that we could find, and as in the earlier part of the video, you saw that I held an communication device, possibly an old one that I found in my faculty. It's an intercom telephone, specifically GVS intercom phone, model PH100. So without further ado, let's start the presentation.
So let's start with the presentation of my mini project for the oldest communication device that I find. So what I find is intercom telephone, GVS intercom phone PH100 model. This phone is used in the intercom system of the faculty in the offices. So I found it in the disposed area of faculty, probably one of the oldest communication items there. So this is a special kind of telephone that controls intercom system in residential commercial settings, in this instance in the faculty. So intercom is a standalone voice communication for within buildings, functioning independently of public telephone. It is used for people within the building. Intercoms can incorporate connections to public address loudspeaker system, walkie-talkies, telephones, and to other intercom systems. Some intercom systems incorporate control of devices such as lights and door latches. So for intercom telephone, it is used to supplement private branch exchange system and operates without an exchange, as this system is not connected with telephone exchange. No permission is needed from the post and telegraph or even our courier service department for the use of the intercom devices. So these are the example of intercom telephone. On the left is what I find in the faculty, and on the right is another example of intercom telephone. So this are some examples for intercom. There are wired and wireless. On the left is the example for wireless intercom. It is a walkie-talkie, and on the right side is the intercom telephone that is usually used in commercial buildings. So how does it work? So unlike wired intercoms that are usually half duplex, our intercom telephone is using a full duplex communication. It has more than one pair of wires that is used to both transmit and receive. This means that both parties can talk at the same time, or more technical term is both party can send and receive audio signals at the same time. So what are half duplex and full duplex communication? What are the differences? I will explain in the next part. But to summarize, our intercom telephone that I chose, that I picked, is using full duplex communication. It is used in commercial buildings. Both parties can send and receive audio signals at the same time. So what is the difference between half duplex and full duplex? In half duplex or semi-duplex system, both parties can communicate with each other, but not simultaneously. The communication is one direction at a time. So for an example of half duplex communication is a two-way radio that has a push to talk button, or known as walkie-talkie. So for full duplex communication, which is used by the intercom telephone, full duplex data transmission means that data can be transmitted in both directions on a signal carrier at the same time. Simultaneous transmission of data is enabled between connected systems. The most familiar example of a full duplex communication channel is telephony, where both participants in a call can send and receive audio simultaneously. Full duplex communication is what a telephone uses. All parties that can call can speak at the same time. So for all cases, Intercom telephone GVS PH100 model uses full duplex communication.
I think that's all for my mini project of all communication device. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.